We'll use this model to investigate how the distribution of traits changes as malaria parasites reproduce over generations. There are 4 steps to each round. Step 1. Apply drug. The cubes in the small plastic bag represent our starting population. The different colored cubes represent individuals with different levels of drug resistance. We're going to apply an anti-malarial drug to the parasite's environment. Depending on each individual's trait for resistance, some parasites will die when we apply the drug, and others will survive. Green cubes have no drug resistance, so only 1 out of every 4 will survive. Blue cubes have some drug resistance, so 3 out of every 4 cubes will survive. Purple cubes have high drug resistance, so all will survive. Let's apply the drug to our starting population, beginning with the green cubes that have no drug resistance. You'll count them out by pointing to them one at a time and saying, survive, die, 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 survive, die, die, die. Then you'll return the 6 that died to our class cube repository. For the blue cubes with some resistance, you'll count them out by pointing to them one at a time and saying, survive, 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 die. We only have 1 blue cube, so it survives to reproduce and go on to the next round. There are now 3 cubes left in the population, 2 with no drug resistance and 1 with some drug resistance. Step 2. Draw a mutation card. These are mutation cards. Every time a malaria parasite reproduces, there is a chance of a mutation, a random change to a gene that can result in a new trait. Shuffle the 6 mutation cards, place them face down, and draw the top card to find out if there will be any mutations. You might draw a no mutations card, so no mutations will happen during reproduction. Or you might draw a card that tells you 1 or 2 mutations will happen. Place a cube on the card to remind you of each mutation. Step 3. Reproduce. In this step, the parasites will reproduce so the number of cubes will double. 3 cubes survived, so we'll end up with 6 cubes. If there is no mutation, each cube reproduces by making a copy of itself. You'll pick up a cube of the same color from the repository. For each of these 2 green cubes on our mutation card, we'll randomly draw a new cube out of the mutation bag instead of getting an exact copy from the repository. The cube you pull from the bag could be the same color as its parent. This represents a mutation that has no adaptive effect. Or, as in this example, you could pull out a cube of a different color, which represents a mutation that does have an effect. Step 4. Histogram. The last step of each round is to complete the histogram to show the population at the end of the round. Now, discard the mutation card. You'll use this population to start the next round. Follow the 4 steps to complete 6 rounds of the model. Observe how your population of malaria parasites changes over time.